Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Salesforce CRM data using data export detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring Salesforce CRM data using data export, log into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the setup menu by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. In the quick find box, type data export and select the data export option that appears. Once in the data export page, you will see two options, schedule export and export now. If you need to restore data quickly, you will be prompted to choose the objects you want to export. Select the data objects that you wish to restore. Be sure to select the correct date range for your data retrieval to ensure accuracy. After selecting the objects, scroll down and click the Next button. Review your selections on the next page, ensuring everything is correct. Once confirmed, click the Export button to start the export process. Salesforce will notify you via email once your export is ready for download. Check your inbox for an email from Salesforce containing a link to download your exported data files. Download the zip file containing your exported data. Once downloaded, extract the zip file to access the CSV files. Open the CSV files using a spreadsheet application to review your data. To restore this data back to Salesforce, navigate to the Setup menu again. In the Quick Find box, type Data Loader and select it from the list. If you don't have Data Loader, you will need to download and install it first. Once Data Loader is open, log in using your Salesforce credentials. Choose the Insert operation for adding new records or Upsert for updating existing records. Select the appropriate CSV file that contains the data you wish to restore. Map the fields in your CSV file to the corresponding fields in Salesforce. After mapping is complete, click the Next button. Review your operation settings and confirm that everything is set up correctly. Click Finish to start the data import process. Monitor the progress in Data Loader and check for any error messages. Once completed, verify that the data has been accurately restored in your Salesforce CRM. Regularly monitor your data and backup procedures moving forward to ensure data integrity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.